The thing that we are going to be making is stuffed chicken with pineapple sauce. Starting with, we have some chicken, then we have some salt, then we have some Chinese salt, then we have some red chilies, some black pepper, some crushed chilies and some lime juice, and then we have some meat tenderizer and baking powder. The other thing that we have is some butter that is cut in cubes and some cheese that is also cut in cubes, and then we have some lemon, tomatoes, broccoli, some pineapples and some cucumber that have been put together, and some pineapple juice. Taking the chicken in a hollow pot, and then we are adding some salt, 2 tablespoons of salt as per taste. Then we are gonna add some Chinese salt. That is also about 2 tablespoons as per taste. Then we are also going to add some black peppers. About 2 tablespoons. That the chicken is about 6 pieces of chicken, and the chicken breast is with some wings. Then we have to add some red chilies, about 4 tablespoons. 5 tablespoons.
Lemon.
Then we are going to add lemon juice,
10
tablespoons. It is also as per taste. If you like a little bit more tangier, then you can add more lemon juice. Then we are going to add some meat tenderizer.
One, 3
tablespoons. That is also about 3 tablespoons.
4.
Then we are going to add some baking powder. That is about 3 tablespoons. Then we are going to mix it with hand so that it can marinate goodly.
Need 2.
Then we have to leave it for about 2 to 3 hours, as you can see. It is on about medium heat, and then we are going to add some pineapple juice to it. We are making the pineapple sauce.
Water.
Then we are going to add some water. About, as we can see, we have added about 1 liter of water to add some food color, that is yellow, about 2 tablespoons.
No,
1 teaspoon. Then we are going to add some lime juice, that is about
4.
8 tablespoons. 8 tablespoons. Then we are going to add some salt, about 2 tablespoons. Salt that we are going to add is as per taste. Then we are going to add some black pepper, that is also about 2 tablespoons. You can add more as per taste. Going to add some sugar. Then we have to add some sugar of 1 cup, and then we have sugar about 1 cup. As you can see, we have added before that you couldn't see in the video. Yes. We have to cook it till it boils, and then we have, and when it boils, we have to add some pineapples. We will add 3 tablespoons of corn flour in some water and mix it well, so there are no lumps in the water. As when the corn flour is finished, then we will add the corn flour into the mixture that we made before in the straw to thicken it out. The pineapples and the cucumbers into that sauce. and let it boil. We'll add 3 more tablespoons of baking powder. You can add less or more as per the thickness of the sauce. Note that the heat is high. As you can see, the sauce has boiled, so we will turn off the stove. Fresh juice and add it to the sauce that we made before, and then we are going to mix it well. You can add more orangers as per your taste if you want a more orangey taste. To wash these potatoes so there is no dirt on them. Okay. Boil these potatoes on high flame and add salt to them. Then we will add salt to it. We will add about 3 tablespoons, 3 teaspoons that we cut before, and then we will cut open the chicken breast.
Four cubes.
We will add 4 cubes of cheese,
4 butter,
and 4 cubes of butter into the breast, and add some masala that is left over.
push.
Then we will push the butter and the cheese inwards so that it does not come out. You can add more cheese or butter as per the filling or the size of the breast. We'll put the breast on a flat surface. And do the same with the other breast and fill them up. And boil it until it is like this, and take out all its water. Boil spinach to a blender and then add half cup of milk to it and start blending it. To a bowl, add some butter and cheese to the mixture or the spinach that we made. We'll also add some black peppers and some salt into the mixture and then mix it well till all the black pepper and the salt has dissolved. We will take some fine flour in a large tray. We will add some baking powder to the fine flour, about 2 tablespoons. Then we will also add some salt to the batter. It was about 2 tablespoons. Then we will add some red crushed red chilies, 1 teaspoon. Then we will mix it well. So all that the red chilies are all over the batter and not concentrated on one place. A fine pan and put some tomatoes over it and pour some oil and add a teaspoon of salt, and then we will add some black pepper. You can add the salt and black pepper as per your taste. But we added 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Then we will cover the frying pan with something so no air is coming out, and we'll put the tomatoes on very low flame and add 4 eggs to it and mix them up well. Then we will add chicken, the piece of chicken to it, and dip it well in the eggs. Then we will move the chicken to the batter that we made of the fine flour. We'll put the peas in breadcrumbs. And cover the peas fully with breadcrumbs so no place is missing. Then we will put the chicken peas on high heat in a frying pan.
High heat.
Low heat. Chicken peas there is frying up and the heat is low. Then we will cover the frying pan with a lid and note that the heat is very low. Boiled potatoes and shallow fry them in a frying pan. We will also add salt, as you can add salt or not add salt as per your taste. As you can see, the potatoes are perfectly red, so then we can take them out. Then we will cut the potatoes in half.
Cross.
And we will cut the potatoes in a cross and open them. Then we will add butter and cheese inside the potatoes. As you can see, this is ready to eat and it looks so tasty. As you can see, the chicken is perfectly done and all the butter and cheese is coming out of the chicken. It looks so satisfying.